Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to transfer a repository into an organization in GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you're moving a personal project into a team environment or want to bring a repository under your company's organizational structure. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that currently owns the repository you want to transfer, as only repository owners have the permission to initiate transfers. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Navigate through this list and click on the specific repository you want to transfer into your organization. This will open up the main page for that repository. Once you're on the repository page, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll see several tabs including code, issues, and pull requests. Click on the Settings tab. This is where all the administrative controls and configurations for your repository live. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. You're looking for a section called the Danger Zone. This section is aptly named because it contains actions that can significantly alter or remove your repository. So GitHub places these options at the bottom with clear warnings. Within the Danger Zone, locate the option labeled Transfer Ownership. Next to this option, you'll see a transfer button. Click on it to begin the transfer process. This will open a dialog box with the transfer options. In the dialog box that appears, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select your target organization from the list of organizations you're a member of. This is where you're specifying exactly where you want the repository to go. Next, you'll need to confirm this action by typing the full repository name in the confirmation field. GitHub requires this extra verification step to prevent accidental transfers, since this is a significant change. Make sure you type the name exactly as it appears. After entering the repository name, click the button that says I understand, transfer this repository. This signals to GitHub that you're fully aware of the consequences and want to proceed with the transfer. GitHub will now require additional verification for security purposes. Click on Verify via email. This will trigger GitHub to send a verification code to your registered email address. Check your email inbox for the verification code from GitHub. Once you receive it, return to GitHub and enter the verification code in the text field provided. Finally, click Verify to complete the transfer, and that's it. Your repository has now been successfully transferred to your organization, and all team members with appropriate permissions will be able to access and manage it according to their roles. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.